After studying 3 chapters from resolution, now we are supposed to head towards the writing skills. Especially today, we are going to open letter writing, and these chapters can be found in the first book, Golden Rays. So let's begin. Letter writing. Letter is a written communication between two persons. It is a very general definition to a letter. Forms of letters. Basically, letters have two kinds and two forms, informal and formal. But according to your syllabus, we have three kinds of letters. Number one, informal, that are personal. Informal letters are personal, such as to family and friends. Now look towards the term informal. The term informal indicates toward the letter which is not formal. And what is formal letter? A letter which has a particular specific pattern to write. Informal, in Hindi you can say अनौपचारिक, गैर दफ्तरी, अकार्यालयी. Informal letters are written to personal relations. They are personal, such as to family and friends. And formal or official letters, they are written to offices. They are formal letters and they are written in an official capacity. The chief difference between informal and formal letters is that formal letters are written to offices and informal letters are written to friends and family relatives, family members. The form number three, business letters. They are business letters and addressed to business firms for business पर्पज़. ये वो लेटर हैं जो बिजनेस पर्पज़ के लिए, मार्केटिंग के लिए, ट्रेडिंग के लिए बिजनेस ऑफिसेज में लिखे जाते हैं. सो दीज आर द थ्री फॉर्म्स ऑफ लेटर्स. नंबर वन, इनफॉर्मल, जो कि फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स को लिखे जाते हैं. फॉर्मल लेटर्स, जो कि ऑफिसेज में लिखे जाते हैं, ऑफिसेज को एड्रेस किए जाते हैं. और थर्ड, बिजनेस लेटर्स, जो कि बिजनेस पर्पज़ के लिए, बिजनेस पर्पज़ में ही, बिजनेस पर्पज़ के साथ ही बिजनेस ऑफिसेज में लिखे जाते हैं या बिजनेस फर्म्स को, फर्म्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलर एंटरप्राइज एट्सेट्रा. So number one, format. After reading these three forms of letter, now we have to look towards format of a letter, especially an informal letter. Let's see what is the format of a letter. यानी एक informal letter को कैसे लिखा जाएगा, उसका क्या format है, उसका क्या draft है. You can see this is an address, then salutation, a paragraph, then give my regards to uncle and aunt. Number 5, yours sincerely, and last, number 6, Saroj. But what they are, we have to study them number wise. Number 1, the heading. The portion you can see with number 1, this is a heading. Number 1, this is a heading of an informal letter. Number 1, this is an address 24/2, Ganeshpura, Ratanada, Jodhpur, and this is date December 15, 2016. This is a pattern, this is a style of writing date December 15 and 2016 or whatever. Firstly, month has been mentioned here, then the date, then the year, or you can write the date like 15 12 2016. Means firstly you can write the date, the number of day, then the number of month, then year. Or you can say, you can write like this: 15 August 2016. 15 in number and August in verbal format. and 2016 number format again. So number 1 is the heading in this letter. Number 2 is number 1 heading. It consists of the writer's address and the date of writing the letter. नंबर 1 जो हेडिंग है उसमें क्या क्या शामिल होगा? राइटर का एड्रेस, जो लेटर लिख रहा है उसका एड्रेस लिखा जाएगा इसमें, और डेट लिखी जाएगी जिस दिन लेटर लिखा जा रहा है. द एड्रेस इज रिटन एट द टॉप लेफ्ट और राइट हैंड कॉर्नर ऑफ द पेज एंड द डेट इज जस्ट बिलो इट. एड्रेस को लिखने का तरीका है कि उसको बाएं तरफ से यानी लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा जाता है, उसके जस्ट नीचे ही डेट को लिखा जाएगा, एज वी हैव सीन in the above example. Number 2 is salutation or courteous greeting. Salutation means किसी को सलाम आदाब कहना. courteous means बहुत ही तहजीब मुहज़्ज़ब अंदाज में सलीक़े से greet करना. It is the form of greeting written a little below the date. ये कुछ थोड़ा सा नीचे लिखा जाएगा, डेट के नीचे लिखा जाने वाला पार्ट है लेटर का, which is written below the date and on the left side of the page. Remember, these things are supposed to be written in the left side of the page, not in the right side. The form of greeting depends upon the relation in which you stand to the person to whom you are writing. Greeting depends करती हैं कि आप जिसको लेटर लिख रहे हैं उनके साथ आपके ताल्लुकात, आपके रिलेशन कैसे हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही आप ग्रीट करेंगे. The first and the second word of salutation are capitalized. The first and the second word of salutation. Remember, the first and the second word of salutation are capitalized. यानी पहले और दूसरे वर्ड के लेटर्स को, फर्स्ट लेटर्स को कैपिटलाइज किया जाएगा, यानी कैपिटल लेटर में लिखा जाएगा. If there are not the first letter but the whole word, remember the second one is not capitalized. Example of Gracia: dear sir, dear father, they have confusion. Actually, I was right to say that we have to capitalize only first letters of the words. Here you can see dear sir. If we have two words in salutation like this, dear sir, so we have to write D in capital format and S in capital format. Remember. But when we have three words in salutation like this, my dear Pawan, then we will not capitalize the first letter of second word. यहाँ पर जब हमारे पास सैल्यूटेशन में तीन वर्ड हो गए हैं, माई डियर पवन, तो यहाँ सेकंड वर्ड के फर्स्ट लेटर को कैपिटलाइज नहीं किया गया है. कैपिटलाइज हम तभी करेंगे जब हमारे पास सैल्यूटेशन में टू वर्ड्स हों, तब हम दोनों वर्ड्स के पहले लेटर्स को कैपिटलाइज करेंगे. जैसे कि डियर फादर में हमने डी और एफ को कैपिटल लिखा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर माय डियर पवन है, थ्री वर्ड्स हो गए, इसलिए हमने डी को कैपिटल नहीं लिखा है. बट रिमेंबर, वी हैव कैपिटलाइज पवन, वी हैव कैपिटलाइज पी ऑफ पवन because Pawan is a proper noun, and according to grammar we have to capitalize the first letter of proper nouns. And what are proper nouns? The nouns that are used to give a specific or particular name to person or things, they are called proper nouns. Well, we have discussed two parts of letter, the heading and salutation or courteous greeting. We can see in this example, this was the address, Ganeshpura, Ratanada and Jodhpur, and this is the pattern of writing an address. We are not supposed to write like that 24/2 Ganeshpura, and we are not supposed to write Ratanada just after Ganeshpura. We have to skip a line, we have to come below, then we have to write Ratanada. In step wise format we have to write address. step by step so that it can be very easy to understand. Number two is salutation or greeting. Since we have three words in salutation, so according to the rule, we are supposed to write M capital and A capital. It is not correct to write D capitalized here. According to rule they have mentioned, it is misspelled that the D has been capitalized here. The three part is supposed to be studied in the next session. The third part in the next session.